In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to 8x8 Online. We're diving into a straightforward guide to get you up and running with your 8x8 account. Whether you're joining a meeting, setting up a new account, or simply checking your messages, logging in is the first step you need, and I'm here to make sure you do it with ease. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you like. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best performance. In the search bar, type 8x8 sign in or 8x8 login and hit enter. You should see a Google search result popping up with various links, so look out for the one that says 8x8 login and click on it. This will redirect you straight to the official 8x8 sign in page. It's always wise to ensure that the URL begins with HTTPS, which ensures the site's security. Once you've arrived at the login page, you will see a field to enter your email address. Make sure you type the email associated with your 8x8 account. If you're unsure about the email you used, maybe it's been a while since your last login, you can search through your email messages for any previous 8x8 communications, as that will point you to the right address. After entering your email, hit the Continue button. This step brings up the password entry field where you're going to input your password. Password security is crucial, so remember to keep yours unique and robust. If you haven't updated your password in a while, or if you're using a similar one for other accounts, consider changing it after logging into something only you would know. If trouble arises and you can't remember your password, don't fret. There's typically a forgot password link nearby that will guide you through recovering access to your account with either a security question or a verification code sent to your email. Once your credentials are correctly entered, hit the Sign In button and you'll be taken to your 8x8 dashboard. From there, you have full access to all the functionalities, whether you need to make calls, join meetings, or manage account settings. And that's it. You are now signed into 8x8 Online. I hope this guide helps make your login procedure smooth and efficient. If you encounter any issues, visiting the 8x8 support page can offer troubleshooting tips or contact options for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials that simplify your digital life. Until next time, happy navigating.